So hold me again, come closer, and this time just hold me like this so you can see my hand, hold here. So the idea is that actually, sorry, it was Ray. I use my hand to make you strong here. Can you see? You tensed up, you feel you can block me. But now I'm not moving it, I'm actually using my hand to hold you in position. Then use my elbow to hit my hand. Why? Because my hand is your chest now. And then like that. This is a yin-yang separation or a differentiation. Your moves, I looked around, you are all doing this. Your hand, your elbow are the same. You're just making this one move. Right. So I'll show you visually. This is you. Hand, elbow is one piece. You use your hand to stretch. Your opponent blocks it, and then you go like this. This is your elbow. So your opponent feels there is one you, but actually there are two. So it's at the beginning, you are nailing your nail on the hammer. He thinks you are holding the nail to poke him with the nail. He's not afraid. But as he is ready to strike you, you hold the nail like this, the hammer goes like this. It's a million times stronger. So you get a piece of wood, you'll know. When you hold the nail with your hand, you hardly can dent the wood. But you switch quickly, the hammer is hitting it. And the power switching, or the increase of power is too dramatic. So now I'll show you myself. You go like this. This one, no resistance. You do this. So because you are so relaxed, your opponent feels immediately he can block you very easily. You have no power. Once you're stopped, this one goes like that. The second one goes like that. So now look at the Shun Lan Zhou. It's called the elbow strike on the same side. See here? So the opponent feels, so I'll use Ray because I don't want your foot to work. See here? You are here. I go like this. So if you touch me a little bit, to hold me a little bit, I go like this, relax. You feel, he only has this much power. But actually when I do this, the power comes from here. And if I actually jam it, there's a lot of power. So this one only does this, make you feel like I have nothing. It's only a placement. And then, so this in the future, the Fa Jing is, the hand is like this. It's a placement. Once it's here, shoulder, elbow will go in together. Placed, no strike. Then here, 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 go in.